How to create an account in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store, tap on search icon. Now type Roblox. Now click on search. Now simply install this application. Now wait for the installation to complete. Now after installing, simply tap on play. Now tap on create account. Now select your date of birth. Now tap on confirm birthday. Now enter the username. Now create a password. Now create a password. Now select your gender and tap on create account. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.